Using the piece of aluminum we've shaped previously, you can see there's a lot of knots and bulges. We can take this slapper, wood and with a little bit of work, you can see this area here is smoothing out very nicely. Down along in here, smoothing very nicely. Now let's take a little bit heavier work and let's go in here with a heavier tool. And you can see that this area just smooths right down. Now this does so without stretching it. This oak slapper with the leather face on it smooths this out without stretching.